So Alex says, hey, Bradley, I have Yext power listings on some of my projects, but the rank tracker is still showing less than 60-ish properties. Is this normal due to slow indexing? Yes. Or do you recommend building tier 2 links to power those power up those citations to get them to index faster? Also, yes. Again, that's why we build all the links that we do to the ID page, which is what I was showing you guys over here, right? Because in that file, the link workbook, right? We build links to the ID page because the ID page has a reference to all of those directory listings, right? So business directory listings, citations, Yext power listings, social media properties, press releases, all of that stuff is in this G sheet. And we build links to this because we want to push link equity into that, which will distribute to other URLs that are referenced in here, and it helps them to index. But you also might want to take the citation URLs and submit them to indexers, right? Do it several rounds. Google's slow to index everything right now. Something else is make sure that your directory listings are well optimized. If you're using Yext, that makes it easy. But the better optimized they are, the more likely they are to index, just to be clear. Okay.